Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to make a retool tutorial for beginners. Let's begin. Retool is a powerful low-code platform that enables users to build custom internal tools and applications without any extensive coding knowledge. All right, because it allows for rapid creation of internal tools and applications by using a drag and drop interface and the pre-built components, reducing development time significantly. All right, now it supports a wide range of integrations with various devices, APIs, and services, enabling users to connect and interact with different data sources easily. So the thing is, it provides a high level of customization, allowing users to create tailored interfaces and workflows that suit their specific business needs. Its intuitive interface requires minimal coding expertise, making it accessible to a broader range of users with an organization, not just developers, all right? Now it says here you can develop anything, write code nearly anywhere, and a version control with Git, deploy with environments, and Retool is built for mission critical development. Now the thing is, Retool includes security features such as role-based access control like RBAC, data encryption, and audit logs, ensuring data protection and compliance, and the changes made in Retool are immediately reflected in the live application, facilitating real-time updates and modifications. All right, now okay, so here's the thing. If you want to check the side-by-side pricing comparison, so basically for free account, there's no credit card required to get started, like $0 per month, and that's per standard user. So if you want to test waters, engage if Retool is the best platform for you. Say you're a developer and you want to have an early exploration, you'll get unlimited web and mobile apps, 500 workflow runs, 500, no, 5 GB of data storage, and up to 5 users. All right, you must try the free plan. Now, say if you're scaling up, if you have a small team, why not try the team subscription plan, which is $10 per month? All right, and $5 per end user. Now, this is for growing and collaborative teams. Everything in free, like right here, plus 5,000 workflow runs per month against the 500. So you want to take note of that. And of course, a staging environment, app release versions, plus 5 users. And you can always choose a team. Now, the difference is if you want to explore the business, which is $50 per month, all right, and $15 per month per end user, everything in free, everything in team, plus audit logging. It has a rich permission controls, portals and embedded apps, unlimited environments and unlimited modules, and access to external user pricing. Just choose business, all right? Now, when we go to the enterprise, they don't basically give you a pricing, but what they can do is you need to contact their sales team to book a demo or to have a live demo. All right. Now, for teams and organizations operating at a scale, everything in business right here, everything in plus, in team, plus SAML, OpenID Connect SSO, source control, custom branding, independent workspaces, a platform, APIs and workflow triggers, and volume-based discounts, and a dedicated support. Okay. Now, if you want a more detailed side-by-side comparison, just check here. And if you are an early stage startup, you might want to get your free credits here. All right. And if you are curious to the integration process here for Retool, here are the database integrations: AlloyDB, Amazon Athena, Amazon Redshift, BigQuery, Databricks, CouchDB, Cassandra, DynamoDB, MongoDB, Google Sheets, Fauna, Elasticsearch, MySQL, Oracle, Redis, Vertica, SQL Server, and Snowflake. All right, there's a lot of API integrations as well, such as Amazon S3, Asana, Circle CI close, Datadog, Firebase, Google Cloud Storage, GitHub, Front, Firestore, GraphQL, GPRC, Jira, OneSignal. There's a lot of API integrations you can choose. Even Shopify, Slack, SMTP, Stripe, Zendesk, and many more. Okay, so while Ritual simplifies app development, there might still be a learning curve, especially for users who are entirely new to app building or have limited technical skills. Now, for highly complex or specialized use cases, Ritual's pre-built components might have limitations in meeting specific customization requirements. The pricing of Ritual might be a consideration for some users, especially for larger teams or organizations, as the costs can scale based on usage and features. As Ritual relies on integrations with external services and APIs, any issues or changes in these services might affect the functionality of Ritual built apps. While suitable for creating internal tools, scalability might be a concern for very large-scale applications or projects with highly complex requirements. Having said all of that, you can always go to the Retool website to unlock development at scale, all right? You can talk to the experts. What I did was I clicked here out of interest, all right? Now, here's the thing. When I click on the talk to the experts, I was directed here to a new page wherein you can book a Retool demo. All right. Just provide your work mail, your location, the reason for demo. All right. And how many employees work at your company or your store or a shop or your business, and anything else you'd like to cover on your call. All right. You can book a demo. So basically, what I did was provide all the information, and they were, accommodating to all my inquiries and questions. And yeah, again, I started from free and then I get to the next premium plan. But if you're interested in, getting a demo for the business plan, why not go here? Another cool thing about Retool has their ready-made templates. They have like a 400 plus templates for you to choose from, like Snowflake dashboard, Snowflake admin panel, S3 dashboard, all right? There's a lot of them for you to choose from. Firebase real-time DB dashboard, Firebase real-time DB admin panel. There's a lot of them. And again, understanding these pros and cons can help businesses and developers evaluate whether Ritual aligns with their needs, development capabilities, and budget for building internal tools and application, all right? And that concludes our video for today. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.